Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So, today was a very choppy day in the market, to say the least. I will eventually get to, sharing my screen with you guys so you can see that we churned a lot of shares, but I stuck to my rules today. And that is what I had trouble with yesterday. So I just want to show you really quickly. This is my impromptu setup while I was trading. I have on March Madness because how can you not? It is March and it is madness. So just put that in there. You guys could probably see the date on the chalkboard. That is when me and my wife got married. My lovely wife. Sorry about this video moving around like crazy. So anyway, just wanted to basically give you a little intro on the day. It was just super choppy. This is one of those witching days that I'll get into when I make up the video with when I share my screen for you guys and all that other stuff. But a witching day in the market does not happen often. So you tend to see a very choppy market and a lot of volatility. And that's what we saw. So anyway, I will insert other video here. So today I adhered to my rules. Yesterday I did not. And if you want to continue to act like a professional and grow as a trader, these are things that you guys are going to have to do in your own trading. Set rules. I don't care, what your specific rules are. It's going to have to be made to your risk tolerance. It's going to have to be made towards your personality. But every trader needs to have a set of rules that you guys adhere to. We're all human, so obviously we're going to be making mistakes here and there, but you have to do your best to listen to your rules and follow those to a T. And that is what I did today. And I noticed that the market was very, very choppy, to say the least. The last 3 days have just been really, really choppy. The 10-year just went straight up to the moon. That just made every, high growth tech stock tank. There was something that came out about the banks today. It made them go down, and then they went up and then down. So today is also a very unusual day that happens 4 times a year. It's called quadruple witching day. Okay, this is a day that you can really get caught up in the churn of the really, really big traders. And that's why you saw a lot of volatility today. Volatility is usually good for trading, but not when it goes and sweeps through your stop losses on its way up. It just doesn't work. It just doesn't really work for trading very well. So I wrote down some notes. I did my homework for you guys. Quadruple witching day. And I will get to sharing my screen, and I'm going to go over my trades. So don't worry, this is not going to be a long lesson. It's going to take 2 seconds. So the quadruple witching day, it happens 4 times a year. So options expire every single Friday. Every month, the 3rd Friday of every single month, just options expire. That's normal, stock options. In a quadruple witching day, stock futures expire, index options expire, index futures expire on top of the options expiration. This is 4 things that happen. That's why it's called quadruple. And the last hour of trading, this is super important. And this is why I am washing my hands of what the market gave me today. Okay. The last hour between 3 and 4, traders are going to be jockeying for positions to close out these big trades. You're going to notice there could be all kinds of price movements and fluctuations, which is going to make trading very difficult. If you're on the wrong side of whatever trade you're going to, it's going to be whipsawing around right through your stop and then hit your price target after it takes your stop out. It's just going to be way, way too volatile. This is something to be aware of. And this is what I am aware of today. And I am doing my best at not over trading, shutting down the platform, because you can't just sit there and watch your platform. You're going to take trades. So you have to just shut it down, say, I'm going to wait until Monday. And that's what I did. So here we go. Sharing the screen. Okay. We're not going to call this the moneymaker today, because let's face it, it's not the moneymaker today, but this is a flat day. I am totally happy with, after 30 trades being even, okay? That's how ridiculous of trading this was today. I could go in here, I think. No, that just shows that. Here we go. I don't know why I missed that. It's right in front of my face. Okay, a lot better than yesterday. Totally fine. And, you know, with 30 orders, that's 15 and 15, right? So that's 15 trades. That's not 30 trades, it's 15 trades. Yesterday, I overtraded. I started to get to that point today where I felt myself about to go to overtrading. And I realized the day, I realized the market, I realized this 4 times a year this day happens. Between 3 and 4, I'm not going to get caught up into that. So this is what I am doing different today that I did not do yesterday. If you guys watched my video yesterday, I did not follow the market. I realized it, but I did not follow my rules. If the market is insane, I am not going to trade it. Simple as that. But today I'm realizing that I'm cutting it. I'm also not over trading. I am done with my trades. You know, I'm basically flat on the day. Fine. Monday, I will see you Monday. And I'm also going to shut down the platform and just come back Monday with a clear head. And this weekend, I'm going to go over some of my trades that I took in the last 3 days. And I'm going to realize, I'm going to see if maybe there's some things I could have done better, right? I know I overtraded on one of those days. The first day, perfect on Wednesday, 4 for 4, not bad. The next day, just totally overtraded. And today, obviously, I am adhering to my rules. So, you know, the market's been pretty rough the last 3 days, but you're told not to blame the market. It's all up here. And, yep, sometimes that works, sometimes that doesn't work, to be honest. But let's see, what can we go over? Apple, nothing really to show for it. Afria, nothing to show for it. Citi, nothing to show for it. And the SPY, I just took a couple of put contracts that when I look at my day tomorrow, I will probably realize that I should have let this one go a little bit longer. But that, I mean, that's it. You know, I traded these 4 names. You know, one was just Apple has been getting me lately, so I'm probably going to take a break from that one. It just whips around way too much. It's got big money coming in and out of it, and it just makes the price just move way too much for me. So that's about it. I don't know if there's really anything. Oh, when I was doing this, maybe I could show you. So here is where I went into my technical analysis. I drew a trend line here, and when we broke the trend line, we got a nice move. That's where I took my my SPY put contract that I took up here. If I would have just let it roll, it would have been a nice bigger winner. But we still didn't make a lower low. So higher low, higher low, higher low, right? Higher high, higher high, higher high. And now we start making a lower, see how this is a lower low? And, you know, we made a little bit of a higher high. This market is just going absolutely batty right now. You can tell by, look at the way that the tape is moving. Just up, down, all over the place. Look at that. It was just up here at 72, and now it's at 52. Wow. Okay. So yeah, leave in the comment section, guys. If you traded today, let me know. Did you have the same type of day that I had? I mean, I feel like I'm lucky getting out even because this was a battle. And of course, I started out my first trade being down right off the bat, and I hate that. So I did a very good job at basically getting back 100% of my loss, which is very nice. At least that happened. Other than that, I really have nothing else to say. The last few days have been really difficult to trade in. Very tough environment. Maybe Monday's better. We'll have to just wait and see. But this weekend, get into those charts. Study your technical analysis. You know, read up on the market like I go through the papers that I read every weekend. But, you know, you should take a day, you know, just away from the market, be with your family, do whatever you have to do. Do whatever you want to do to clear your head because we need to reset on the weekends. It can't be all market all the time. You'll burn yourself out. But usually I like to still reading my financial papers. It's relaxing with a cup of coffee. There's nothing wrong with that. But other than that, I will be playing Monopoly with my family and my two daughters. We like to play Monopoly, and my two daughters are ruthless Monopoly players. So I think I know where they got that from. So guys, I hope that you enjoy your weekend. Have an awesome weekend, and I will see you back on the next video. Take care.